सोर्स थोडं नाही बरोबर आहे. मी घेतो नंतर घेतो.
Welcome to the very unique concept of design and development of some energy efficient sensor networks. On my left hand side you will see this is the weather monitoring station. Weather monitoring station, these are the very important parameters for the precision agriculture. Here at MIT Pune we have developed a very unique concept of defining the various patterns for the agriculture purpose, so that farmer can get the information on his mobile at every hour. So if you see, this is the wind speed. The wind speed can be measured and can be informed to the farmer on his mobile. This is the wind direction, and this is a camera, the camera which can take shots of the field and can communicate to the farmers what is the position of the agricultural land. And this is the Zigbee, this is the transmitter which communicate the information on the mobile of the farmers. So this is a weather monitoring station with the camera, and a very unique concept of rainfall measurement. This is the unit which can gives you the measurement of the rainfall. This is a unit which you can see. This unit is measuring the rainfall and can communicate to the farmer how much rainfall happened in that particular land. So this is the complete weather monitoring system. What we have done, we have developed these wireless sensor networks in the hexagonal fashion. This is the hybrid hexagonal energy efficient sensor networks. So if you find, these are the 6 hexagonal nodes. One is for soil moisture, one is for the water level indicator, one is for the soil temperature. So they have positioned in the hexagonal manner, so that in a circle we can get the complete. This is the weather monitoring station. So this station gives you the complete weather information which I mentioned earlier, the wind speed, the wind direction, the rainfall, and every parameter is communicated to the Zigbee, and this we have used the PEEK microcontroller into this, and this PEEK microcontroller communicating the information to the ARM microcontroller in the main controller board, and this has been powered by the battery. Independent power has been given to all these nodes, and this Zigbee we have used as a transmitter. This is the antenna. If you find, this is the transmitting antenna. The information will be transmitted through this antenna to the main base station. This is the board. This is the spatial wireless sensor network which gives us the soil moisture, the level of the soil moisture. This is the spatial sensor developed at MIT Pune campus, and once we put it into the soil, this will gives us the soil moisture which this board, which this peak microcontroller is communicating through Zigbee to the main controller what is the soil moisture here. And again it is the self operated, this independent battery is given to this. But in future we are trying to develop the solar cells which can give a power through the solar cell. That is the ultimate aim in future. So another sensor node which we are demonstrating here, the sensor node is of water level indicator. So how much level of the water is available in the farm, that has been calculated with the insertion of this node. This is called the water level node. Once we insert it into the soil, again this information is communicated to the peak microcontroller, where this peak microcontroller measures what is the water level is available in this farm. And if this water level is low or below to the standard level, this gives us a signal to this circuit, whether this circuit in turn gives a trigger to the main station, and motor attached to this will be automatically get started and water level will get fulfilled. This is the complete automatic information the farmer will be getting for the irrigation purpose. This is the peak board. This is the Zigbee circuit for the transmission purpose, and this board is specially designed for the water level indication into the farm. So the next sensor, wireless sensor into our H2E2, that is hybrid hexagonal energy efficient network. This is for the soil temperature. We have seen the soil moisture, we have seen the water level indication. The third parameter which is very important is the soil temperature. So this is again the sensor developed for the measurement of the soil temperature. Once you insert into this, again this entire circuitry gives a signal to this peak microcontroller, where it calculates the range of the temperature which communicated through this Zigbee to the main controller area, and the farmer will come to know on his mobile what is the soil temperature in the farm at that particular time. Again this is the circuit developed for measurement of the soil temperature. Again we have used the peak microcontroller into it, the Zigbee for the transmission purpose. This is the antenna, and this output of this sensor is given to the peak microcontroller. So we are approaching towards the fifth sensor in this network of H2E2, that is hybrid hexagonal energy efficient wireless sensor network. Actuator एकदा मला परत remind. So this is the actuator which controls the soil moisture. If you see the LED is on here, if the soil moisture goes low, this LED, this circuit gives a trigger to the main controller circuit, and the sprinkler will get on, which maintains the moisture level of the soil. So this is again the peak microcontroller called actuator 1, which used for controlling the soil moisture. So this is again a unique property and very important parameters from the farmer's point of view, that they should get the soil moisture before they can grow any plant or any seeds into the farm. H2E2 hybrid hexagonal energy efficient wireless sensor network design for the precision agriculture. See, for agriculture from the Indian point of view is very important, and we are enabling the farmers through the use of 3G technology for the betterment of the agriculture. So here is the actuator. So water level indication is very important in our Indian agriculture scenario. This is the actuator 2. Actuator 2 is a circuit again with the peak microcontroller with the independent battery with the Zigbee as a transmission purpose. Whenever the water level in the farm goes down, this circuit will trigger to the main circuit and the motor will get automatically on, and once again the water level reach to the particular level, this LED indicates that water level is fulfilled. Again this circuit will give a trigger to the main controller circuit and motor will get turned off. So in the 6x4 kilometer area of the agriculture, this is very useful. Farmer need not to go to the each and every location. This circuit will take care of the water level indication and gives us a proper water flow in the farm. This LED is already turned on. The meaning of this LED turn on is that there is a water level available at the farm. So that's why this turn on. When it goes turn off, this will give a signal to the controller station and water pump will get automatically on. That is the significance of this LED. So now we are moving to the heart of this entire project of precision agriculture. The heart is the main controller board which controls the each and every parameter. There are 13 parameters we have used for the farmer information. This entire information has been gathered at controller station, and from here with the help of GSM, with the help of 3G card, this information is getting transferred to the mobile of the farmer. So let me show you, this is the main board called ARM microcontroller board, where all the 6 nodes are communicating their information to this board. And this is the GSM board and this is the ZigBee board. So this GSM board, we have used the IDEA card into this, and this information is transmitted with the help of this GSM card to the farmer mobile. So all these parameters is the soil moisture, water level, weather monitoring system, rainfall, wind speed, wind direction, all parameters and their information used to get gathered here, and from here after the processing of the information with the help of software, one typical SMS will get generated, and that SMS covers the information about the soil temperature, soil moisture, water level indication, wind speed, wind direction, rainfall. So all these parameters, then barometric pressure, dew point, and the temperature of the field, these all parameters the farmer will get the information on his mobile directly. So this is the precision agriculture for the Indian conditions. If you see, these LEDs are acting over here. These LEDs are showing the information is coming from the various nodes, and all these nodes we have placed into the hexagonal form, and each node is communicating to this base station. This is a small antenna. This is the small antenna which covers the information, reception antenna, and this also acts for the transmission of the information. This is the battery independently given for this controller purpose. So this covers the design and development of energy efficient network for precision agriculture. This is the special project developed for the farmers, the Indian farmers, particularly into the backward region of the Maharashtra state in particular, and for the Indian farmers in general. So we will be submitting this project to the Ministry of Agriculture for the further development. As I was mentioning, this each and every circuit requires the separate battery output, and that battery needs a frequent charging. To eliminate this battery purpose, we will be using the solar panels which can be fitted onto the each and every wireless sensor network node, and through the solar battery this will give a power to the each and every node. And also we will be giving a main controller station, a solar base called FSO, that is free space optics. And for this purpose we need financial support from the Ministry of HRD, so that we can take up this project for the masses, particularly for the below poverty line farmers, where they can give a precision agriculture and strengthen the Indian community. Thank you very much.
बॉक्सेस व्हाइट बॅकग्राऊंड जरी त्या अँटीना